Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a chiropractor from Skelian Chiropractic Clinic. Today I'm in gym 66, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the 3 best exercises for lower back pain. Now, mechanical lower back pain is something I see very commonly within the clinic. It's usually caused by stiff joints in the lower back or tight muscles, and in these exercises I'm going to show you, hopefully they'll help to loosen off some of those joints and muscles and decrease your back pain. If you're uncertain of what's causing your pain in your lower back, say for example you think it's nerve pain or a disc problem, please speak to a health expert before doing these exercises. So, the first exercise. So today I'm joined by Chloe. She's going to help me demonstrate some of these exercises. So Chloe, if you can have a lay on your back for me. Perfect. Right, so the first exercise is called Nisa Chest. This is really good to do first thing in the morning when you're a little bit stiff in the lower part of the back. Now, as long as you're on a stable surface, that's fine. So you can do that, on your bed or on the bedroom floor. That's absolutely fine. So what you do is you're going to lay on your back, make sure your knees are nice and bent, and then what you're going to do is you're going to gently bring your knees up towards your chest, and then if you grab hold of them with your arms as well, that's good. And you're going to gently pull them in towards your chest like that. Perfect. You should feel a nice gentle pull in your lower part of the back, but you should not feel any pain. Hold this position for around about 30 seconds to a minute, and then let legs relax again. Just bring that back down. Good. Once you've done that, sort of recycle that movement again. So you want to bring your knees back up again, and then hold it again, bring it up. And again, you want to hold it around about for a minute to 30 seconds. If the first exercise is fine, what you can do is you can bring your legs a little bit lower, and then you're going to rock side to side. So what you want to do is make sure your shoulders are nice and flat on the floor like this. And then you're going to just gently rock your legs side to side like that. Good. And that's going to help just increase a little bit more motion in the lower part of the back. Overall, I want you to do this exercise around about 10 times in total, and that will hopefully get you started for the rest of the day. Okay, so exercise number 2. This exercise is a fantastic exercise I give to my patients who sit a lot of time at the desk or in a car. This is a very simple exercise, but a lot of my patients say they get a lot of relief from doing it, and it's a lot more simpler to do than the first one when you're out in public because you don't need to go onto the floor. This one, all you need is a wall or the side of a car. So Chloe, if you could just lean up against the wall for me, facing forward like that, perfect. So you want to lean slightly forward against the wall using your arms here. That helps to take the pressure off the lower part of the back slightly. And when you're in a position, you want to slowly march on the spot. So if you could bring your knee up towards your body, perfect. Good, and then slowly back down again. And then do the same on the other leg. Great. When you get out of a car, let's say on a long car journey, and you stop at the services, you can do this and it just helps to keep the back nice and warm whilst it's, whilst you've been static for a long period of time. So I normally tell my patients to do around about 10 repetitions on each leg for this. This is just to help get the muscles warmed up again and get the joints moving after you've been sat down for a long period of time. Perfect, there you go. Great, I shall show you the third exercise. Third exercise is called the cat-camel or cat-cow. For people who do yoga, they probably know this exercise already, or some people have heard of it already, but they're not quite sure how to do it. So hopefully in this section of the video, we'll be able to explain how to do it properly. So Chloe, are you all right to come onto your all fours again for me, please? Good. So you want to be in this position to start off with. Again, make sure you're on a nice stable basis. You want to make sure your wrists are directly underneath your shoulders and your knees are directly underneath your hips. Once you're in this position, make sure you're got a nice sort of shoulder width position with your knees and your wrists. This is to make sure you're nice and balanced whilst doing this exercise. So to do this exercise, what you need to do is you need to bring your back upwards towards the ceiling. So you're going to create a nice arch coming up. When you do that, you should feel a nice gentle pull coming through this section of your back. Hold this for around about 5 to 10 seconds. And then once you've done that, you then need to just lower yourself back down again into a neutral position. That's good. So once you're in a neutral position, your spine should be nice and straight and your lower back muscles should be nicely engaged here. Good. The next part of the exercise is you're going to slowly lower your spine down towards the floor. So you're creating a reverse arch to what you did in the first part of the exercise. Again, you want to hold this for around about 5 to 10 seconds, and then once you've done that, you want to come back up to that neutral position again. You shouldn't get any pain in your lower back whilst doing this. You should just get a gentle stretch. So if you do feel any pain, you should stop doing this altogether. Perfect, good. So those are the 3 exercises I give to my patients just to help loosen off some of the joints in the lower back. I hope you get some relief from doing these exercises, and I'll see you in the next video for some helpful tips.